Hello guys, this is a quick video about ZTE Axon M. So this foldable phone, so with two screens. As you can see, this a TNT version. So the idea foldable dual screen. So all that. So and the whole idea when you So the whole idea is that you want to use it, you have this M button, as you can see back home, the M button, and you can do, let's say, a copy screen. So like this, it's all good. You can turn off one screen, it's another good thing. But the whole idea to have this full screen or AB, as they call it, dual screen mode. So something that on this model, as you can see, disabled. You can see the feedback, but this work back again, but all other two are disabled. So it's the idea is it's not software, and again you can reset, you can do a lot of stuff, but most probably it will not help you a lot. So what I discovered that the issue is about sensor in here. So for some reason it misfunction. So as you can see, we have it here again, and it's disabled. So what you can do, how to trigger this, for example, using one of the magnets that I got from, let's say, your fridge. You must probably have a few magnets, and basically touch it this portion when the this piece right here. So doing this, voila, we enabled a full screen mode right there. So you can see we have it, and for some reason this one is not enabled. So let's see if we can make it work. Yeah, here we go. So we have, let's say, duplicated, and this is independent screen. So again, when you, let's say, close and open, it's again malfunction, and this doesn't work. So again, the easiest solution, you can trigger this. It doesn't work every time. So you need a stronger magnet or something. Oops, I just did it twice or something. Here we go. Nope. Again. Yeah, here we go. We got it, and for example, I still want to full screen. So you can do this as a whole. So yeah. So again, as you can see, this works. Even if you go this most probably will work. Here we go. You have your application, you do whatever here, and again, but it can drop back. So the issue in my case, hopefully I can return this particular item. But another idea is that if it will be thick enough and powerful enough to stick it there and glue it, most probably it will do it. So yeah, but now we know it. So it looks like there is no hard software fix for this, as far as I know, and again, there is not a lot of support for this phone nowadays. But other than that, again, you can use any magnet piece that you have, put you on a keychain or something, and keep triggering if you have that problem. So yeah, again, it was a ZTE Axon M Z999 model from AT&T, and the issue that extended and dual screen button are disabled on the phone. So yeah, use magnet to touch this again particular area a couple times. It usually works relatively persistent. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. See you next one. Bye.